Hi, it's Brian from First Layer First, and today we're going to design and 3D print a coffee syrup holder that uses magnets to connect. As usual, let's start with a sketch on the top plane. First we'll draw a square that'll be the base of the syrup holder. Then we'll draw a circle on the inside. This is where the syrup holder will sit. Then add all the appropriate dimensions. Now let's select everything in the sketch and select Move Copy. We are going to copy it, in this case 125 millimeters on the x-axis. Let's repeat this twice so we have 3 holders for our syrup. It's time now to draw a rectangle where the slot for the magnet will go. Once again, use the Move Copy function to draw 2 more copies on each of the other syrup holders 125 millimeters apart. Now let's exit the sketch, and it's time to extrude all the bases. Select them all, and let's extrude at 10 millimeters. Now for the first syrup holder, select everything but the circle and the small rectangle, and extrude it 10 millimeters plus the height of the magnet. Now select everything but the circle, and we're going to add an offset extrusion to make the total height of the object 2 inches. Here I realized for the middle syrup holder I needed 2 slots for the magnets, 1 on each side. So I went into the sketch and copied the slot from the bottom to the top. It's now time to repeat the extrusion process for the second and third syrup holder. Let's add some fillets to round over the edges. Now let's combine the individual bodies of each syrup holder into a single body. Let's go into Bambu Studio and import the step files. Once imported, we're going to separate the objects and arrange them. Now we're going to go into the nozzle options, under Machine G-Code, under the pause settings, and add some code so the nozzle will move out of the way, allowing us to install our magnets. Next, let's slice our model. When it's done slicing, let's go through the layers and find the last layer where the slot for the magnets is visible and not being covered. At this point, we're going to right-click on that layer and add a pause. Now we can print the model. As you can see, when the printing pauses, it's easy to insert the magnets. Just make sure you get the polarity right. When I went to pull the model off the printer, I realized I had made a mistake. I had wanted each syrup holder to be higher than the previous, but I made them all the same height on the bottom. I should have made the second one 2 inches tall and the third one 4 inches tall. That way each syrup bottle would have stepped higher than the previous. To fix this without reprinting, I just made some inserts that I could put inside 2 of the holders. I fixed the model, and the one I uploaded to MakerWorld has the correct heights. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any ideas for future projects, let me know in the comments below.